So in this video we'll see how to copy files from your Files tab from one team to another. Now you may be using this Files tab to arrange your weekly work in a class. So it could be really useful to be able to copy all these files over to a new team. If I just copy a team or create a team and use an old team as a template, it won't actually copy these files in the Files tab. So you have to do these additional steps to move your files over. So to copy the files from one team to another, well, a little tip: go to the team that you want to copy the files to. Go to the Files tab. It'll probably be empty, although there might be this class materials folder sitting in there. Choose Open in SharePoint from the actions below the tab list. So when we arrive in SharePoint, this is actually the location where all the files will be in that team. And just to make it easier to find this, I click the following star, the top right here. Now go back to Teams. Go to the team and the files that you want to copy. And again, open in SharePoint from the actions near the top of the window. So I just need to highlight the folders or files you want to copy. I've only got a couple here for demonstration, and then choose Copy To in the list of actions near the top here. So on the right, it brings up a list of your teams. Now, I notice it hasn't included that new team I've just made, and that's why I chose to follow that new team. If I go to the bottom of this list, choose Browse Sites, it will now list the teams that I'm following at the top of this list. So I'm going to choose that copied team. There are a couple of locations here, but it gives you that class materials folder by default in a new team. But I don't want to have to click into a folder. I just want all these files to be shown straight away in the Files tab. So go into Documents and go into General. By doing that, when I copy, these folders or files that I've highlighted will appear straight away in my Files tab. Let's go back to Teams. Let's go back to our copied teams and go into our General Files, and here they are. We've just copied those. Now I don't need this class materials folder that they put in there by default, so I'm going to tick it and then choose the second delete button here. It doesn't work choosing the first delete button for some reason, but use the second one and it just removes this class materials from this general channel. So we've managed to copy all the files from one team to another team by using SharePoint.